Hello, I'm delighted that you've chosen to learn reflexology with me, and I've put it together so that it takes you through step by step. You get the history of reflexology, where it came from, and an introduction about the possibilities of it. And I take you through so I talk about the handouts that are in there, and I show you how to do the treatments, and so you'll be able to work on your family with confidence. It takes a lot of practice, and but if you just learn the relaxation techniques first of all, and you get the hang of that, and that alone will help to calm somebody down. And then you could learn the massage, which is at the end. And so if you've got someone that has difficulty sleeping, give them a nice foot massage. How nice would that be? Don't worry about doing it exactly to the letter. Just do it as you can. You could play the video while you've got them there, or you've got the words and pictures to give you an idea, but don't worry about having to do it in all exactly the same order. And it needs to be done gently. So nice and gently. You don't want to be pushing in so that you hurt somebody. And you want them to enjoy it, because the feet are so sensitive. You don't have to press really hard for it to work. So don't feel that you've got to go, oh. Be careful of your thumb, because just follow how I show you how to do the thumb. I'll show you here on your hand, and you can have a little practice. This is your neck, equivalent to your neck. And this is equivalent to your base of your spine. So it's along here is the spine. Now you can help yourself with your lower back straight away, because if you do this, hope you like my nice sparkly nail varnish, and just do tiny little movements. You say, so I'm not doing this, not bouncing along. It's called a caterpillar movement. So it's tiny pincer movements. And you say there. So have a practice of that. So that will help your lower back. And then I'm going to show you how to help your shoulder. Your shoulder reflex is here. So you want to, it's a bit harder actually to do it on your hand than it is on your foot, because your skin is looser. So we're just doing it along here. So there you can see it. You don't obviously have to do it like this. You can have it in your lap, but you wouldn't be able to see it then, would you? So I'm doing it like this simply because to show you. So you can have it anywhere. And you could do it on someone else opposite. You could sit next to them and get their hand and that. So it's already, you've learned how to do a shoulder and the back. So you do it on the other hand as well. This could be done any place, anytime, anywhere. You could be sitting on a train, bus, watching the TV, waiting for somebody, waiting in the traffic, waiting for a shop for your turn to go in. You could just stand there and do this and help your own. It's amazing the difference that reflexology can make to someone. It actually does work, and you can work it on your face and your ears and your feet and your hands. This is going to take you through doing the traditional foot reflexology, and I hope you enjoy it, and you'll get a lot out of it the more you practice. And so good luck and well done.